tired of that uncomfortable bloated feeling after meals? I used to feel that way all the time, especially after a big dinner. But what if I told you the solution could be as simple as a warm, soothing cup of tea? This isn't just any tea. It's a powerful blend of 3 simple spices you probably already have in your kitchen: coriander, cumin, and fennel seeds. This traditional remedy, often called CCFT, is a game changer for digestion, making it super easy. Just take equal parts of each seed, add them to hot water, and let them steep for about 10 minutes. Strain, and that's it. I started drinking this tea daily, and the difference is incredible. No more bloating, no more discomfort. I just feel lighter, more energetic, and so much happier. If you struggle with bloating, give this simple natural remedy a try. It might just be the best thing you do for your gut health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips.